Agentic AI has become a strategic, prioritized initiative. Research from Enterprise Strategy Group shows that 80% of organizations identified AI agents as one of their highest AI priorities. 42% of organizations that have agents in production or POC are allocating $1 million or more to AI agents over the next 12 months. But there are challenges around autonomous decision-making, multi-system integration and orchestration, state management and memory, multi-agent coordination, and real-time monitoring. 81% agreed that scaling AI agents into full production is more complex than they initially expected. Enterprises looking to build and manage agentic AI should choose a platform that offers flexibility and control through a unified framework that offers end-to-end workflow integration and governance capabilities from the outset, supports a variety of tools and frameworks, and extensive customization options. Domino Data Lab is an ideal choice, and here are a few reasons why. Domino provides a developer-first, framework-agnostic workbench that lets teams use the languages, agent frameworks, and tooling they prefer while working in a single, reproducible environment. They enable teams to compose complex, multi-step agent workflows, run them consistently from a code-first workspace into hybrid production, and scale agents without rewriting orchestration or inference logic. And they offer a system of record that layers in embedded governance, an AI gateway, and granular access controls so organizations get reproducibility, auditability, and compliance by design. With Domino, enterprises can scale their agentic AI innovation faster, reduce operational costs, and minimize the risks of agentic systems.